This is one of the website. Is a launching for new website. So how will be promoting for your website? How to drive your traffic in your website? So first of all, I'm selecting for incognito window. I'm checking for painters in Mayapur. Painters in Mayapur. So this is my keyword. So any promotion of SEO off page will depend on your keyword option. In this, first of all, select your here. You can select your websites. In this, I have to show my website will be shineservice.com. Check for second page. You can see where you can showing for second page and 19th. Each page, how many days will be there? 10. So we'll going for a second page, last two. What is the position will be? 19th position. So how will we increase the before? So this all will be generating for the traffic for drive. This all will be coming to different traffic. One of the best one is called we're using for right now is a classifieds. Which one? Classified. In this famous website I'm writing for locento.net. So many websites are there. In this, what the website will be? Go to which one? Locento website. In this Locento website, first of all, log in your account. Log in with always Google. I'll create your account. Log in with your Google. Is it easy to we can log in your account? Easy to you can log in your account. Select here. Back to home page. Is done. Now, what are the ad will be previous created? Every ad will be here. So there's some issues are going on in this website. So go back. Retry for live version. Yeah. So any ad will be expired. You can simple click. You can renewal. This ad will approved by any classified website. 30 days to 180 days. The ad will be there. 30 days to 180 days. But mostly classified will enable for up to 120 days. For 30 days up to how many days? 180 days. So in this one, click for post a free ad. Any ad will be posted based on the keyword. Based on the keyword. This all ad will be free, nothing charge. Your ad will be renewal for 30 days is done. You can renewal once again 30 days. Every renewal is important. It's totally free. So first of all, I'm selecting keyword. My keyword is called painters. And painting service with the best price in Mayapur and Hyderabad. In this, we have the keyword tell you painters in Mayapur, painters in Hyderabad, painting service with the best price in Mayapur, painting service with the best price in Hyderabad. So when writing any kind of title of keyword, you can writing for minimum 2 to 3 or 3 to 4 keywords. They implement by where? To ranking on your keywords, where? Search engines. This all will be generated for the referral backlink on your website. Copy, submit it, proceed. So here, category will be exceed. Just proceed. And what you can go for? Services. Here, painting services. You can check. Painting will be which one? Home services. Select it. How many category will support only for 54? So Hyderabad will be not accepted. Is clear? After that, same title will be pasted for your description. After writing for your description part. Select your copy. Okay. In the description, I enter your social media links and my website link and my phone number. Next, how many you can add the photos? Here, the photo will be uploaded by the one image to up to 20 images. These all will be indexing for where? In your Google search engine also. Google search engine also. Select it. You can upload image. This read by the particular folder. See, I'm using for this images. Now, next, what you're writing for? Website URL. Next, add your phone number. Clear? So, where the location is the Miapur. Miapur, and add your postal code. So, everything you can find out by your Google here. So, your ad will be how many days you can active? 42 days. After 42 days, have to renewal. Now, click for post your ad. After post your ad, they're showing for the paid ad. Which one? Top ad, gallery ad, and premium ads. This will be using for your options. Top ad, gallery, and premium ads. This will be for not free, is a charge. Is not showing for Google search here. It will showing for Locanto for top ad, gallery, and premium ad. But I'm looking for which one? Free ad. Go to click for proceed. If you go for this top ad, 1 week 190 rupees, 2 weeks 380, 3 weeks 570, 1 month 760, 2 months 5020, 3 months 2280. Coming to this 190 same price. And here, little will change 95, 190, 285, 380, 760, and 1140 is a premium ad. Compare this one, this is the highest price. Or gallery ad will be same price. Only premium ad will be very less. 3 months will be charged only for 1140. But I'm not looking for this premium ad. Click for proceed. Well done, your ad will be online in a few minutes. I will be checked. Go to my ads. What showing for is done. If anyone click for view this ad, the ad will be showing for along with the proper title. So the title will be painters and painters with the best price in Miapur, Hyderabad. Why you mentioned by the Miapur, Hyderabad? So here my social links will be promoting and my website link will be promote. Here will be promote the website link. I'm adding two is my website URL. Here one is the description part and here. And some classified not accepting for links, only accepting for description. Here we can do small change also. I'll tell you that one. Edit. To the total description part. We can use any anchor text here. Any HTML tag. We don't create. Why? We do not create any kind of. So that is called link will be accept. Any link will be not accept. We can give the hyperlink. Which one? We can give the hyperlink. So in this one, always remember you can don't forget the add your location along with your PIN number. Is the most important. So by adding for years, adding the Indian PIN number is not correct. Is not way is a correct. Every location separate PIN number is a mandatory to post your any classifieds. Post your ad. Is it clear? This is one you can create ad. Same like I'll show one more website. Is a one more website. Search, post your ad. Here total what is that? Entertainment, matrimonial, business opportunities, real estate, dog, automobile, mobile and tablets, electronics, home store, educational learning, travel. The next one is the services. The services, what is I'm selecting for? Housing services. I'm selecting same keyword, previous keyword, which is a keyword is called select your city. Or first you can showing for upload your image. So you have question. So why this website can give the referral traffic? Why? Because this all will be earning money from where? Google Ads. That's the reason. So you upload the image. Select your category. For that, painting contractor. Which location I'm selecting for? Mayapur. Don't forget. Based on the class, previous class is asking any question, particular area. Just adding area and pin code number. Here adding for particular area. So adding for area. So no need by the pin code number. No need by the pin code number. And coming to description. Any description, what is the title you mentioned? First you mention by the your description part. Don't forget this option. What is the title you mentioned? Same title you mentioned where? Your description part. Next, add your description and your so adding for phone numbers. Then click for post. For the previous and this one, previous I'm adding for location with the pin number. Here, just adding for your category and exact your locality. Select your category is more important and along with images. Along with image and along with that your category is more important. Now click for post. Any classify it depend on by the location wise. Which one? Location wise. So here ad will be shown. Click for view ad. So your title will be optimized. Is it clear? This is all nothing but to your improve your keywords. Don't forget any classified to improve your classified to based on your title and description. Control U. I'll show the title here. What is the title? Painters and paintings are seen with the best price. Which one? Mayapur. Generate or not? Is a title. Next one. What that next one will be? Description. See this. It's clear? This is a title and this is a description. These two will be important for the to post your drive the traffic based on your website. This all will be new website to build the keyword to the number of classified. This all will be top 3 classified sites. Classified site will be two types, with a login and without login. In tomorrow we'll discuss about the how we'll be posting for classified without login websites. How we'll be generating for different will be with the login and without login websites.